Video order for his Zoom.
Okay. So
Leave audio.
after this all means 2 times that elder brother, in the beginning there were 3 years difference, 3 years gap in the classes of the elder brother and the younger brother. 2 times that younger brother got cleared and the elder one was failed. So now there is only one class difference. Now what is happening? So that this younger brother is thinking without doing studies only he will be passed, right? So he was running behind the kite and in middle only the elder brother caught him and he has scolded badly, right? So after this, what the writer is telling, what the author is telling, मैं उनकी इस मैं उनकी इस नई युक्ति से नतमस्तक हो गया. With his new idea, I was like bowing my head in front of him like that. मुझे आज सचमुच अपनी लघुता का अनुभव हुआ. And today really I realized that I am a small and he is the bigger. और भाई साहब के प्रति मेरे मन में श्रद्धा उत्पन्न है. And there was a devotion in my mind towards my brother. मैंने सजल आंखों से कहा हरगिज नहीं, आप जो कुछ फरमा रहे हैं वह बिल्कुल सच है और आपको उसे कहने का अधिकार है. एंड विद द टीयर्ड इन आईज व्हाट द ब्रदर इज टेलिंग स्मॉलर ब्रदर, नेवर वट एवर यू आर सेइंग, वट आप जो कुछ फरमा रहे हैं, वट एवर यू आर टेलिंग दैट इज करेक्टली 100% करेक्ट और आपको उसे कहने का अधिकार है. एंड यू हैव टोटल राइट टू से दैट. मीन्स इट विल नेवर हैपन दैट if you and me will be in the same class that you will not having right to scold me. This will never happen. भाई साहब ने मुझे गले लगा लिया. भाई साहब hugged me और बोले मैं कनकोए उड़ाने को मना नहीं करता. I don't even say don't go behind the kite, means don't fly the kite in sky. I never say. मेरा भी जी ललचाता है. Even I also want to fly the kite. लेकिन क्या करूं? But what should I do? खुद बेराह चलूं तो तुम्हारी रक्षा कैसे करूं? If I will only go on the wrong way, then how I will protect you? यह कर्तव्य भी तो मेरे सर है. This duty is also on my head only, no? Like that the elder brother is telling. संयोग से उसी वक्त एक कटा हुआ कनकौवा हमारे ऊपर से गुजरा. And coincidentally, कटा हुआ कनकौवा means the cutted thread पतंग kite passed over our head. उसकी डोर लटक रही थी. Its thread was hanging. लड़कों का एक गोला पीछे पीछे दौड़ा चला आता था. And one circle of the one group of kids boys was running behind that कनकौवा. भाई साहब लंबे हैं ही. भाई साहब is elder. उछलकर उसकी डोर पकड़ ली और बेतहाशा हॉस्टल की ओर दौड़े. And jumping he caught that thread and he started to run towards the hostel. मैं उनके पीछे पीछे दौड़ रहा था. And I was running behind him, right? So this was the story. What is the story? It's all about, it's the story of two brothers, and the elder brother is feeling inside like he is not like starting he was like always scolding to the brother, but when the Bhai Sahab got failed in one standard and the elder brother came crossed one standard, then the feeling was like elder brother was thinking I can't scold the smaller brother now because now I got failed, right? Second time, but one day he scolded like that, but second time again the elder brother has got failed and younger one has passed. So now there is only one class difference. So now what this person, elder one was feeling guilt in his mind, like how to scold him now, right? But he wanted to protect him. He don't want, he is getting failed, but he don't want his younger brother to be failed in exam. So he wanted to scold, but he himself got failed. Then how he will scold now? So he was not scolding. Now this time he told, even I want to fly the kite. But if I will also fly the kite, then how I will stop you to fly the kite, right? So he was stopping himself to play games and to enjoy the life, right? So he was always pretending like he is always doing studies so that the young smaller also should do studies, right? So this is the moral and this is the conclusion of the story. Okay, so now I'm stopping this.